Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Here we have a small comprehension and a question based on this comprehension. So let's read this comprehension first. First point, an aqueous solution of compound A is acidic towards litmus and A sublimes at about 300 degrees Celsius. So first point says compound A is acidic towards litmus and sublimes at 300 degree Celsius. Second point, a solution of A on treatment with an excess of NH4SCN gives red compound B. It says solution A on treatment with excess of NH4SCN gives red compound, that is B, and on treatment with solution K4FeCN6 it gives blue compound, that is C, on treatment of K4FeCN6. Third point says the solid A on being heated with K2Cr2O7 the presence of concentrated H2SO4 evolves deep red vapor, that is D. Next is on passing vapors of D into a solution of NaOH and then adding the solution of acetic acid and lead acetate, it gives a yellow PPT of compound, that is E. And here we have a question, can the compound A be prepared in the anhydrous form by strongly heating its hydrated crystals? So here we have options A, B, C and D, and we have to tell the which option is the correct. Now let's solve this question. We all know that aqueous solution of FeCl3 salt undergoes hydrolysis and it forms HCl, and HCl is a strong acid and it releases the H ions in the solution. So the resulting solution is acidic and blue litmus paper turns into the red. So our question is, can the compound A be prepared in the anhydrous form by strongly heating its hydrated crystal? Okay, so anhydrous FeCl3 क्या होता है? कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड होता है एंड ये सबलाइम्स हो जाता है अबाउट 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. बट हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म क्या होगा इसका? हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म इसका होगा FeCl3 6H2O. ये क्या है? FeCl3 का हाइड्रेटेड फॉर्म सॉल्ट. यहाँ पर हमने ऊपर क्या देखा कि FeCl3 सॉल्ट अंडरगोज हाइड्रोलिसिस, तो ये क्या बना रहा है? एसिड बना रहा है. ओके, साथ ही साथ इसमें कौन से आयंस प्रेजेंट हो गए? Fe3+ and Cl negative ions are also present in aqueous solution of FeCl3 एंड द जो रिजल्टिंग सॉल्यूशन इसमें मिलता है हमें वो क्या हो जाता है, एसिडिक इन नेचर हो जाता है, जिसके कारण ब्लू लिटमस टर्न इनटू द रेड। सो रीजन क्या हो गया इसके पीछे, टोटली बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ salt. Okay, no, because the salt gets hydrolyzed in the process. So B is the correct option for this question, because यहाँ हमने क्या देखा कि on hydrolysis क्या हो रहा है, FeCl3 हाइड्रोलाइज्ड हो जा रहा है, जिसके कारण क्या हो रहा है कि ये एसिडिक इन नेचर का हो रहा है और लिटमस पेपर चेंज हो रहा है इनटू द रेड कलर। होप you all understand the solution of this question. Thank you.